shattered and strong. How this attorney rebuilds lives after accidents. Shattered and strong. How this attorney rebuilds live after accidents. In the aftermath of life-altering accidents, the path of recovery can seem unsurmountable. However, one attorney has made it their mission to help individuals rebuild their lives and find strength amidst the shattered pieces. This legal champion goes beyond the courtroom, offering a unique blend of legal expertise, compassion, and goes compassion and unwavering support. Meet attorney's name, a dedicated legal professional whose passion for justice and empathy for those who have suffered accidents drive their remarkable approach to advocacy. With years of experience in personal injury law, attorney's name has honed their skills to not only secure just compensation for their clients but also to provide the guidance and assistance needed for a comprehensive recovery. What sets attorneys' name apart is their commitment to treating his case as more than just a legal battle. They understand that an accident can have far-reaching consequences that extend beyond physical injuries, often affecting emotional well-being, stability, and overall quality of life. As a result, attorney's name takes time to build meaningful relationships with their clients, listening to their stories, your stories